Hello guys, this is the next video about multimap on this Volkswagen Amarok, and let's gonna make some CAN bus sniffing. So I'm gonna sniff this button, cancel button, these buttons. I already find this address. This is 438A. So, and when I push cancel button, you see how this bytes change it, set up, set down, and so on. Okay, next step is need to find out engine RPMs. Start the car, you see your RPMs, and on these cars RPMs is on this address. We see the 0, first, second, and third byte. Yeah? It's moving. If I override them, then it means no RPM on dashboard. We can check and try it to do. Let's do it. Yeah. And let's make just zeros. Okay, here's not pause it and 2 millis. Let's find it out where it's going. Engine running. Actually we cannot override this because I've got very much errors here. Yeah. Okay, and here is some validation, maybe, so I cannot override this message. Okay, I may wrong because this address what I before say it's for old one MQB setup. I use now CAN, it's fast, and sniff for car with a working engine and find out the message. So as you see, I turn on ignition and find out the message. I turn on the message and we see the dash is moving. So this is this address. Hey, and multimap on next video, part 3. Subscribe.